Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best grain-free dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness High-Protein Grain-Free Natural Large Breed Dry Dog Food. Bigger dogs have different needs from their tiny and mid-sized brethren. When purchasing grain-free dog food for your plus-sized pup, look for one like Blue Buffalo's Wilderness brand. It features formulas specifically designed for large breeds, with glucosamine and chondroitin added to the recipe. It's free of corn, wheat, and soy as well as poultry byproducts, and is sold in bags weighing up to 24 pounds. Large breeds prefer this grain-free option to standard dog foods, and some owners say the high protein can reduce the upset stomachs they've seen with other brands. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Chicken, Sweet Potato and Pumpkin Recipe Dry Dog Food. For small breeds, we love Nature's Recipe's grain-free offering. It's made with high-quality chicken, and also includes sweet potato and pumpkin. Formulated for dogs under 25 pounds, it's a great source of the vitamins and nutrients, with a grain-free recipe that's easy on the stomach. Like our pick for large breeds, this food is also sold in bags weighing up to 24 pounds. This small-sized kibble, made with tinier mouths in mind, is designed for small dogs that may have experienced challenges eating other brands. At number 3, we have the Nutro Wholesome Essentials Adult Healthy Weight Dry Dog Food. If your dog's been putting on the pounds lately, try putting them on a healthy food that's designed for weight management. Nutro-Light features a low-calorie combination of protein and fiber, like chicken, brown rice, and sweet potato, intended to help dogs lose weight in a safe, healthy manner. It's also recommended for dogs with diabetes and is available in both large and small breed varieties. Look for it in either 4 or 30-pound bags. If you pair Nutro-Light with regular exercise, you should see the results in your pup. At number 2, we have the Halo Purely for Pets Holistic Grain-Free Natural Dry Dog Food for Senior Dogs. Senior dogs have different needs from younger ones. The biology of mature dogs changes around 7 years of age and certain nutrients are needed to support healthy functioning of organs, bones and muscles, says Dr. Wollner. As dogs enter their golden years, their metabolism often slows down significantly, so they typically eat fewer calories than when they were younger, yet still need the full complement of essential nutrients. Halo's grain-free offering is made with lower calories and fat than other varieties to make up for the reduced activity and lower metabolism that's normal in older dogs. It also features real meat, poultry and fish, and non-GMO fruits and vegetables. One key factor that some owners prefer is that the proteins are whole, rather than the meat meals used in some brands. It's sold in either 4 or 10-pound bags. It can help older dogs maintain a healthy weight and is free of some of the undesired ingredients present in some brands of dog food. And finally at number 1, we have the Natural Balance Limited Ingredient Diets Mini Rewards Dog Treats. Going grain-free doesn't mean your dog has to give up on the treats they love. Natural Balance's grain-free treats are just as enticing as the biscuits of old, but feature a healthy blend of limited ingredients that are perfect for pups with food sensitivities. The brand features a wide array of flavors, like duck, venison, and even bison. Most feature a blend of the main protein and sweet potato for added carbohydrates. There are numerous sizes available, whether you want a few treats to keep handy or stock up in advance. For dogs who suffer from allergies, limited ingredient treats like Natural Balance can help owners avoid ingredients that give their pets issues. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.